This time we will introduce about one of the weather data, EPW format. EPW data is open data for weather around the world. Then, what is EPW format? EPW is an abbreviation for EnergyPlus weather data, which is weather data according to the format of EnergyPlus, which is widely used for simulating energy consumption by civil and M&E. EnergyPlus is a free and open program managed by the National Renewalbe Energy Laboratory NREL in the United States. You can get more detail from this EnergyPlus homepage. We will start to explain how to get EPW data from website. First you can go to EnergyPlus homepage. Let's click Weather button. We can go to the weather data page. Let's scroll down. You may see the map in this page. You can zoom in where you want to get data. Zoom in more. More. You can click the pin drop icon. You can see the list of data. Then you can download EPW data from here. Okay, you can complete to get EPW. We will introduce how to use EPW data in the Excel software by next movie. Thank you for watching movie. In this channel, we will provide useful information for M&A design practice. See you again in next movie.